Using Fidelity Smart Beta ETFs is a great way to enhance your investment portfolio with a strategic and rules-based approach to investing. To get started, first define your investment goals and risk tolerance, as this will help you choose the right Smart Beta ETF for your needs. Smart Beta ETFs are a type of exchange-traded fund that uses a rules-based approach to select and weight the securities they hold rather than tracking a traditional market cap-weighted index. Fidelity offers a range of Smart Beta ETFs that cover various asset classes and investment strategies. To use Fidelity Smart Beta ETFs, begin by researching the different options available on the Fidelity website or through their customer service team. Look for ETFs that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance, and consider factors such as the ETF's underlying index investment strategy and fees. Once you have selected a Smart Beta ETF, you can purchase it through your Fidelity brokerage account. You can buy and sell Smart Beta ETFs just like you would any other ETF or stock through the Fidelity website or mobile app. It is also important to regularly review and adjust your portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your investment goals and risk tolerance. This may involve rebalancing your portfolio by buying or selling Smart Beta ETFs or other investments. Some key concepts to keep in mind when using Fidelity Smart Beta ETFs include the importance of diversification and the potential for tax implications. Diversification can help reduce risk by spreading your investments across different asset classes and investment strategies. Tax implications may arise from buying and selling Smart Beta ETFs, so it is a good idea to consult with a tax professional or financial advisor to understand the potential tax implications of your investment decisions. By following these steps and considering these key concepts, you can effectively use Fidelity Smart Beta ETFs to enhance your investment portfolio and achieve your long-term financial goals.